it's not often the things that are overly complex. I like things that are just really easy for me to look at, that don't, they grab my attention quickly. you know
Right.
I would rather them be like sort of like large picture, easy to understand. I mean, like, if I took this design that you're showing right now, I mean, if I cropped it into a rectangle, it'd be just like a cool business card or sticker,
Right.
cool T-shirt.
With images like this, when you're looking at, large scale composition, I almost find that you can't be right up on it to see, tiny little minutia in there. In order to get an idea of the entire picture, you have to stand back further so that your eye can capture the entire piece.
Yeah.
So it forces you to take a few steps back. But I think a lot of that comes into the planning stage, right?
This isn't just I'm making my cool artwork. Doesn't matter if you're doing a bodysuit or a drawing of a duck. Make sure that the frame is good. If your initial lay-in, your initial composition isn't working, don't start moving ahead.